Good morning students. Welcome to 10th Maths online class. How are you children? I hope all are fine and safe by God's grace. In previous class, you learned about composition of. Today we are going to see the continuation of first chapter. Now I am going to explain identifying the graph of linear, quadratic, cubic and reciprocal function. Okay. First of all, we have to say linear function. You know very well what is linear function? A function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to mx plus c. M is not equal to 0 is called a linear function. In previous class, algebra you learned, isn't it? This one y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, that is a linear equation. Like that you learned, isn't it? Then here function, linear function. So a function f from R to R defined by, how it is defined? F of x. Okay, otherwise y is equal to mx plus c. This m is not equal to 0 is called a linear function. And how we can represent in the graph this one? Okay, graphically this represented a straight line in the graph we will get. Okay, then linear function, linear polynomial means then straight line we will get. Okay, last year also you studied, isn't it? Then identity function. How to from here identity function we have to say. Okay, then f from R to R, f of x is equal to x. F of x is equal to x. This is a linear function, isn't it? This one also linear function, but this is identity function. And it means here only one term is given, isn't it? Then f from R to R, that is real numbers. Two real numbers defined by real numbers means negative all numbers, positive and 0. Then decimal all values it will come. Okay, it is defined by f of x equal to x. Suppose here x plus 1 substitute means here f of 1 is equal to what we will get? F of 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 we will get, isn't it? F of 1 is equal to 1. Like that, suppose f of f plus x plus 2 substitute means what we will get? F of 2 is equal to 2. Then f of 3 is equal to 3. Then etc. Okay. Then x plus x axis 1 means then y axis. F of x means y, isn't it? Y axis, what's the value? Y, isn't 1. Okay, so we have to mark like this. Then f of 2, then x plus 2, x axis 2, then y axis, what's the value? 2. Okay, then here also 2 we will get. Okay, x is when x equal to 3, x equal to 3 means y also 3. Okay, suppose x is equal to minus 1. If you take means then y or f of x. What's the value we will get? Minus 1, isn't it? So you have to join this one. We will get straight line. Okay, shall we join? We join the linear equation. Straight line we will get. Have you understood? We will get straight line. Okay. So only here given geometrically this represents a straight line in the graph. Okay, straight line we will get. Okay, then next one additive inverse function. Okay, additive inverse function. Inverse means here f of x equal to x means inverse is minus x. Inverse is minus x. Okay, So how we can represent in the graph? Like this we have to do. Okay, f of minus 1. F of minus 1, if you substitute, means what we will get? Minus of minus 1. Minus of minus 1. That means what so you will get? 1. Okay. Yes, then f of minus 2. Substitute means then minus of minus 2 we will get. Okay. And equal. Suppose x place 1 substitute means what so you will get? Then minus 1. Okay, x place 2 substitute means minus 2 will get. Okay, then we have to plot here. X1 means then f of x is what? X minus 1 means then f of x is 1. Isn't it? 1. Here we have to mark. Okay, then like that minus x minus y is f of x is what? 2. Isn't it? Like that f of x 1. 1 means then f of x is what? Minus 1. Here it will come. Okay. Then x minus 1 means, sorry, here x2. x2 means, here what we will get? Minus 2 we will get. Okay. Y axis minus 2. Okay. So we have to join these points, straight line we will get. This is the linear function. Linear function graph. Okay. Linear function graph. And then represent a straight line. Represent the straight line. Okay. Have understood? Next we are going to see modulus or absolute valued function. Modulus or absolute valued function. Here f from R to 0, closed curve 0, infinity defined by f of x is equal to modulus x. Modulus x. Okay, then equal to set of x, then such that x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, then minus x, then minus x means then x less than 0. Okay, x less than 0. Okay, have you understood? Then like this we have to check here also. Okay, f of x is equal to suppose x place, if you substitute 1, then what we will get? F of 1 is equal to modulus 1 is equal to 1 we will get. Okay. Then x place 2 substitute means what we will get? Then equal to modulus 2. Like that only here given. Positive inside the modulus it will come in. So then positive only it will come. Suppose negative value f of minus 1. If I take x value minus 1 means then equal to modulus minus 2. Also we will get 2. Okay. Then modulus minus, modulus inside any negative value if you come in, so then positive value only we will get. Sorry, here 1. Okay, here minus 1, modulus minus 1 equal to 1. Have understood? Like that, suppose if f of minus 2 is equal to modulus minus 2 is equal to what value it will come? 2. Very good. Have you understood? So we have to plot here. Suppose x equal to 1 means y is equal to what? Okay. Then x values what? Positive and negative it will come. But f of x values all values we will get positive values. Okay, that only here given. This is modular or absolute valued function f from R to 0 to infinity value only f of x values we will get. It is defined by f of x is equal to modulus x. Okay, then x means here x greater than or equal to 0. Then minus x such that then x less than 0 values we have to take. 1 minus 1 minus 2. If you take means also positive values only it will come. in modular valued function. Modular function. Have you understood modulus or absolute valued function? Next one. Then quadratic function. Quadratic equation you know very well, isn't it? A function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Then but this a is not equal to 0 is called a quadratic function. Okay. Then quadratic polynomial already last year you studied, isn't it? Then y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Or like that you studied, isn't it? P of x is equal to you studied. Here function, quadratic function. So it is defined as f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. It is called a quadratic function. Okay. Then this one two ways we can mention. First one, f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to x square means, and then x belongs to which value? Real numbers. F of x belongs to 0 to infinity values only we will get. X values all negative, positive, all numbers it will come. But f of x, f of y, isn't it? Y axis. Okay, we have to represent in the graph. Okay, we will get positive values. Positive values only we will get. Like this parabola we will get. Okay, f of x is equal to x square means then here above the x axis the parabola we will get. Okay, like this graph you will get. Okay. Suppose f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to minus x square, x belongs to capital R, f of x is belongs to minus infinity to 0. Okay, that means here x all elements. Okay, real numbers. But f of x means y elements are in the negative values. Okay, then parabola downward you will get. Okay, like this you will get y f of x is equal to minus. Okay, we have to check means then x place 1 substitute, then you will get minus 1 minus of minus 1 the whole square. Okay, like this one by one if you mark means then like this graph we will get. Okay, if you see the graph at once one idea you will get this is the quadratic function. Have you understood? Then suppose a straight line means that is a linear function we can write. Okay, next one, cubic function. A function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to ax square plus bx square plus cx plus d, but this a is not equal to 0 is called a cubic function. Okay, cubic function means ax cube it will come. Okay, then quadratic equation quadratic function means ax square. Okay, then here x cube. That means that is what cubic function. The graph of f of x is equal to x cube is we can draw the graph like this. Okay, like this it will come. Okay, then next one if we check then we will get the answer. Okay, then next one, reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal function. Reciprocal function. A function f from R to R minus set of 0 to R defined by f of x is equal to reciprocal. X, what's the reciprocal? 1 by x, isn't it? Is called a reciprocal function. Okay, it is called a reciprocal function. So, how it will come? Then R minus 0. Okay, then except this 0, okay, remaining points it will come here. Okay, y means suppose here x equal to 0. 0 means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is the undefined. Okay, and that is the infinitive. So, we cannot mark in the graph. Okay, then, so except remaining numbers. If you substitute means then reciprocal function, reciprocal graph we will Okay, reciprocal graph like this it will come. Then except this what remaining points it will come. Okay, then next one, constant function. Constant function means a function f from R to R defined by f of x equal to c for all x belongs to R is called a constant function. Okay, constant function f of x equal to c or y is equal to c. Okay, then here f of x is equal to, for example, I am taking here f of x equal to 3. f of x equal to 3. How we can draw the graph? Then x-axis, here x-axis all values, it will come parallel to x-axis. Okay, that means here f of x equal to 3 means y is equal to 3. Suppose x equal to 1, then y is equal to 3. X equal to 2 means y is equal to 3. Have you understood? That is a constant. So, how we can draw the line? Then a straight line it will come. Have you understood? Suppose here f of x is equal to minus 2 I am taking. Minus 2 means how we can mark here? Like this it will come. Here we have to draw the line. Okay, this is the constant graph. Have you understood? Constant function. Have you understood how to identify of linear, quadratic, cubic and reciprocal functions? Okay, and constant function also. Now let's see exercise 1.5. Okay, let f is equal to set of minus 1 comma 3, 0 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 9 be a linear function from z to z. Find f of x. Here what is given? Solution f equal to set of minus 1 comma 3, then 0 comma minus 1, then 2 comma minus 9. Okay, one function is given. Okay, then we have to find f of x. f of x means here linear function is given, isn't it? So we have to take, now we learn f of x is equal to linear function means f of x equal to ax plus b. Am I correct? Ax plus b is a linear function. Linear function. Okay. Here what is given? Then first ordered pair we have to take f of minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. Here f of minus 1 equal to 3. Correct? Then f of minus 1. What's the image of minus 1? 3. Have you understood? Then like this given, isn't it? Then again what is given? F of 0 is equal to minus 1. Okay, like that. Third one also you say f of 2 is equal to minus 9. Okay, like that here given. Okay, then first value you have to take. F of minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, minus 1 equal to 3. F of x is equal to what is given here? Ax plus b, isn't it? Okay, ax plus b. From here, how we can write x place? We have to substitute minus 1. Okay, plus b is equal to 3. Then minus a plus b is equal to what's the value? Can you add this to? No, isn't it? Like term only we can add or subtract. So we have to take this is equation number 1. Okay, like that second one also we have to take. Okay, f of 0 equal to 1. Okay, then this f of x place what is that? 0, isn't it? X place we have to substitute 0. Shall we substitute? A into 0 plus b is equal to minus 1. Okay, a into 0 is 0 plus b is equal to minus 1. Am I correct? Then 0 plus b is b, isn't it? To minus 1. Very good. Okay. Then here b is equal to minus 1 we got, isn't it? This b is equal to minus 1. If we substitute 1 means equation number 1, we will get a value. Okay. Then afterwards a value and b value substitute here we have to substitute. Okay. A place you have to substitute a value, b value. Then we will get the linear function. F of x value we will get. Have you understood? So, we have to substitute SUB. That means substitute. B is equal to minus 1 in which equation? Equation number 1. Okay. Shall we substitute here? Minus a plus, instead of b, you have to substitute minus 1. This plus, then of minus 1 is equal to, okay, then minus a plus into minus is minus, isn't it? Minus 1 equal to 3. Am I correct? Then variables only we have to keep left hand side, then right hand side we have to bring this minus 1. Okay, this minus it will come plus, isn't it? Then equal to 4. Minus a is equal to 4. Therefore, a is equal to minus 4 we will get. Am I correct? Then a is equal to minus 4. Then b is equal to minus 1. We got the answer. Okay. Have you understood? Then these two values f of x. F of x is equal to ax plus b is a linear function. Already we took, isn't it? Then there we have to substitute. Therefore, f of x is equal to a place we have to substitute minus 4. Yes. Then b what's the value? Minus 1. Very good. Minus 1. Correct? Therefore, minus 4 into x, 4x minus 1 is the linear function. Hence, the linear function is minus 4x minus 1. Otherwise, up to this enough. We means here find f of x. Okay, f of x is equal to minus 4x minus 1 is the answer. Okay. Next, one more question. 10th one. In electrical circuit theory, a circuit C of t is called a linear circuit. C of t is called a linear circuit if it satisfies the superposition principle given by C of at1 plus bt2 is equal to ac of t1 plus bc of t2, where a comma b are constants. Show that the circuit C of t is equal to 3t is linear. Have to show. Have you understood? Then what is given here? C of t is the linear circuit. Okay. We want to satisfy this superposition principle. This is the superposition principle. Okay. First we have to take this one equal to this answer. If we satisfy means then we can write what C of t is equal to 3t is linear. Okay, so first of all here solution, what is given, we have to write C of t is equal to 3t. Okay, this one only we have to show. We have to take C of Here T1, T2 also given. So we have to take instead of T1 is equal to 3T1. Am I correct? Then next one C of T2 also we need, isn't it? So C of T2 is equal to 3 into 2. Okay. So we have to prove that the function, prove that the circuit is linear. Listen, function is okay. That is a linear function we have to prove. Okay, that means C of t is equal to 3t is linear. We have to prove. Okay, then here C of, first of all, here what is given, left hand side and the right hand side. Okay, this is the right hand side given. Right hand side values first we have to take. Okay. Sorry, left hand side what is given, C of A T1 and B T2, isn't it? So we have to take this one, C of A T1 is equal to, here if you substitute means here C of equal to 3t, isn't it? Like that, here C of A T1 means 3A T1. Shall we write like this? Then next one, C of A T2. A T2 means then we can write 3A T2. Okay, C of A T2 is equal to 3A T2. Okay, first we have to take left hand side is equal to, what is given, C of A T1 plus B T2. Okay. This one shall we multiply inside C of, okay, C of A T1. Okay, then plus C of B T2. Okay, why we are writing like this? We have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then only we can write this circuit is linear. Okay, this superposition principle want to satisfy. Satisfy means then this is linear we can write. So only we are writing like this. Have understood? Then equal to, already C of A T1 is equal to 3A T1. So C of A T1 place we have to substitute 3A T1. Okay, don't confuse it. Then next one, C of, here B, isn't it? Sorry, here C of B T2. Then B T2. Here also B T2 you should take it. Okay. Then only we can prove. Then C of B T2 is equal to what? 3B T2. Am I correct? Here which is common? From here, A we can take outside. Shall we take outside? Here, A into 3T1. Shall we write? Plus this B, constant we have to take outside. B of 3T2. Okay. Then equal to, here A 3T1. Okay. Then place we have to substitute 3T1. Where is 3T1? First starting itself we took, isn't it? 3T1. This place we have to replace this on CT1. Okay. Then A into C of T1. Have understood? Plus B into 3T2. Okay, 3T2 means what? C of T2. Already we took, isn't it? Okay, then now you check it. Left hand side, we take C of A T1 plus B T2. Okay, this is T2. Okay, is equal to, did you get the answer? AC of T1 plus BC of T2. Did you get right hand side? Equal to right hand side, answer we got. Have understood? The left hand side is equal to right hand side. So, how we can write superposition principle is satisfied. Which is the superposition principle? This is the superposition principle. And then both sides equal we got. Okay. Then therefore we can write superposition principle. Superposition principle is satisfied. Okay, is satisfied. Satisfied. Okay, this is satisfied means what we can write? Hence, this circuit C is equal to 3T is linear. Have understood? Hence, this circuit C of T is equal to 3T is a function, is linear. Have understood? Then this function is linear. We got the answer. Any doubt? Once again you check it. Okay. Then one homework mark it. Page number 31 and progress is given. Okay. Then is a function, is a constant function a linear function? Can you say this a constant function is a linear function? Yes or no? Then you write it. Okay. Then is quadratic function a one-to-one function? No, it won't come, isn't it? Then you check the answers. Okay. Is quadratic function, is cubic function is 1-1. 1-1 function. A cubic function means it will come, isn't it? Yes, it will come. Then is the reciprocal function is a bijection. It is not a bijection. Why? 0 has no preimage, so it is not a bijection, it will come. Okay, fifth one, if f from A to B is a constant function, then range of f will have how many elements? Okay, this is your homework, daily homework, daily you should complete. Like that, page number 30, top one also study. Okay, modulus function is not a linear, but it is composed of two linear function x and minus x. Okay, then linear function are always what? One-to-one function. Okay, and has application in cryptography as well as in several branches of science and technology. Okay, then have you understood this one? Linear function are always function. It is used in cryptography as well as several branches and science and technology. Okay, so all notes you study well, definition also study well. Then afterwards here exercise 1.6 multiple choice question also given. You find the answers and study. Okay. Thank you students. Have a nice day.